Sintra, Portugal, a town where castles touch the clouds and every corner feels like a page from a fairy tale. In this video, we'll explore the 8 best things to do in Sintra, from royal palaces to misty forests and dramatic ocean views. Step into the colorful dream of Palacio da Pena, wander through the mysterious woods of Parque das Merendas, and uncover the royal elegance inside the Sintra National Palace. We'll savor fresh seafood at Azenhas do Mar, relax on the golden sands of Praia do Maguetto, and lose ourselves in the storybook streets of Sintra Town. Then, we'll stroll the serene gardens of Quinta da Ribafria and descend the enchanting depths of Quinta da Regaleira, where legends and architecture intertwine. From mountain peaks to seaside cliffs, Sintra is a destination that captures the imagination and leaves you spellbound, a true masterpiece of nature, art, and history. Number 8. Move like reality through the Pena Palace. Perched in the Sintra Mountains, Palácio da Pena is one of Portugal's most breathtaking sights and Sintra's most recognizable landmark. Completed in 1854 under the vision of King Fernando II, this colorful palace was built atop the ruins of an old monastery and stands today as a masterpiece of 19th century Romanticism. Its vibrant red and yellow walls, golden onion domes, and whimsical towers rise dramatically above the lush forest, creating a fairy tale-like view that feels almost unreal. Step inside and you'll find exquisitely preserved rooms that transport you straight into royal life from the late 1800s. Every detail, from grand chandeliers to intricate tile work, tells a story of opulence and imagination. Yet the palace also hides some surprising innovations for its time, including one of Europe's first telephone exchange and Portugal's first hot water shower installed in the king's private bathroom. Open daily for visitors, Palácio da Pena offers tours for about €17 per adult, making it a must-see highlight of any Sintra visit. Number 7. Walking through the misty woods, Parque das Merendas. Parque das Merendas in Sintra feels like stepping straight into a fairy tale. The air is cool and heavy with mist, wrapping the forest in a soft, mysterious glow. As you walk along the winding paths, the sound of crunching leaves and distant bird calls fills the silence. Towering trees, draped in moss, create a green canopy that filters the light into a dreamy haze. The peaceful forest park is a favorite among locals for picnics and quiet walks, but early in the morning it feels completely your own. The wooden tables scattered beneath the trees hint at gatherings past, yet the atmosphere remains calm and untouched. You might catch the scent of damp earth and pine, or spot a few beams of sunlight breaking through the fog. Whether you're here to hike, breathe in the fresh air, or simply to slow down, Parque das Merendas capture the timeless magic that makes Sintra so enchanting. Number 6. Exploring Sintra National Palace, Royal Heritage of Portugal. Nestled in the heart of Sintra's old town, the Palácio Nacional de Sintra, or Sintra National Palace, stands as one of Portugal's most treasured royal landmarks. This stunning palace, easily recognized by its 2 massive conical chimneys, dates back to the Middle Ages and reflects a fascinating blend of Moorish, Gothic, and Manuelian architecture. Once the summer resides of Portuguese royalty, every room inside tells a story of elegance, power, and artistry. As you walk through the grand halls, you'll find intricate tile works, colorful azulejos, and richly decorated ceilings that showcases Portugal's golden age of exploration. The Swan Room and Magpie Room are among the most famous, each filled with symbolism and royal secrets. Step into the palace courtyards for breathtaking views over Sintra's charming streets and lush hills. Exploring the Sintra National Palace is like stepping back in time, a journey through centuries of royal life and the enduring beauty of Portuguese culture. Number 5. Taste fresh fish with a sea view at Azenhas do Mar. Perched dramatically on the cliffs of Portugal's coast, Azenhas is one of those rare places where the scenery and the flavors complete your attention. The small seaside village is carved into the rocks with whitewashed houses overlooking the Atlantic and waves crashing below. Dining here feels like stepping into a postcard, and the seafood absolutely unforgettable. At the local cliffside restaurants, freshly caught fish is grilled to perfection and served with a simple squeeze of lemon and a view that steals the show. The ocean breeze carries the aroma of salt and charcoal, and the sound of waves provides the perfect background music. Try the sea bass, sardines, or octopus, all local favorites paired with a glass of crisp Vinho Verde. As the sun sets and the cliffs turn golden, it's easy to see why Azenhas is one of Portugal's most magical dining experiences. Number 4. Spread out your towel at Praia do Maguetto. Just a short 10-kilometer drive from Azenhas to Mar, Praia do Maguetto offers a peaceful escape from Sintra's busiest coastal spots like Praia Grande and Praia das Massage. This long stretch of golden sand sits beneath towering cliffs, creating a dramatic yet tranquil setting perfect for those who want to unwind away from the crowds. The beach has plenty of room to spread out your towel, listen to the crashing waves, and take in the raw beauty of Portugal's rugged coastline. For those who love a bit of adventure, there's stunning cliff-top trail connecting Praia do Maguetto to Praia da Aguda. Walking this path gives you sweeping ocean views and the chance to see the unique layers of sedimentary rock that define this coastline. Whether you're sunbathing, strolling along the shore, or hiking above the cliffs, Praia do Maguetto is where the wild charm of nature meets total relaxation, one of Sintra's best-kept coastal secrets. Number 3. Walking through Sintra Town, Portugal's fairytale streets. Nestled at the base of the lush Sintra Mountains, the town of Sintra feels like stepping into a real-life fairytale. Every corner reveals a touch of magic, from pastel-colored palaces perched on hilltops to charming cobblestone lanes lined with quaint cafes and artisan shops. As you wander through the historic center, the scent of freshly baked travesseiros, Sintra's famous almond pastries, fills the air, inviting you to pause and indulge. The streets wind past elegant mansions and tiled facades, each telling stories of royalty, poets, and explorers who once called this place home. Don't miss the grand sight of the Sintra National Palace with its distinctive twin chimneys rising above the rooftops. Local musicians often play in the main square, adding a warm rhythm to the old town charm. Whether you're exploring hidden courtyards, admiring views of the surrounding hills, or simply soaking in the timeless beauty, Sintra Town captures the very soul of Portugal's romantic spirit. Number 2. Stroll through the restored gardens of Quinta da Ribafria. Tucked away on the edge of the Sintra National Park, Quinta da Ribafria is a hidden gem of history and tranquility. Dating back to 1541, this elegant estate is a fine example of Manueline civil architecture, a style that beautifully blends Gothic and Renaissance influences unique to Portugal. Once left in ruins for decades, the manor was lovingly restored and reopened to the public in 2015, allowing visitors to discover its charm. As you stroll through its peaceful grounds, you will find lush gardens, winding forest paths, and atmosphere that feels frozen in time. Along the way, sculptures by both Portuguese and international artists such as Italy's Stefano Beccari and Spain's Amparo Luis add a touch of modern creativity to this historic estate. Take a seat on one of the shaded benches and listen to nothing but the rustle of leaves in the breeze. Arrive early, around 10 a.m. when the gates open, and you might just have the Quinta da Ribafria's serene beauty all to yourself. Number 1. Explore opera-worthy landscapes at Quinta da Regaleira. Built at the turn of the 20th century for a wealthy Brazilian coffee tycoon, Quinta da Regaleira is one of Sintra's most intriguing and mysterious estates. Designed by Italian architect and set designer Luigi Manini, the palace and its gardens feels straight out of a Gothic dream. As you step inside, you're drawn into a world of symbolism, sacred meanings, and dramatic beauty. The lush gardens are filled with winding paths, moss-covered towers, and hidden tunnels that seem to lead deeper into legend. Inspired by Dante's Divine Comedy, the landscape mirrors a spiritual journey from darkness to light, complete with grottos, fountains, and the famous initiation well, a spiral staircase descending deep into the earth. Inside the palace, the mood softens into quiet elegance. Ornate frescoes, carved ceilings, and delicate Venetian glass mosaics reveal the artistic flair of the era. Every corner of Quinta da Regaleira tells a story, part myth, part history, and entirely magical.